For real this time.
That hurt.
Come on with your soft ass. Come on.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Period. So, y'all, it's Vlogmas day 3. Yeah, day 3. So, I'm gonna show y'all give y'all a bit of a morning routine. I do gotta go to the store. I gotta go buy some stuff for my man, because I'm seeing him. I wasn't, but now I am. So yeah, I gotta go buy him some stuff. So we're just gonna be vlogging that. And nothing much really. I don't go to work till 5 today, so hopefully I can get some other stuff done. You feel me? So yeah, let's go get this morning routine down, and let's move on with our day. Let's move on with our day. Positive vibes, good vibes, you know. Morning routine. It's nothing special, nothing much, nothing special. You feel me? But I do. It's 9:46. I'm hungry. I know y'all heard that. Anyways, but it's 9:46. I go to work at 5:30 today, so I have like all day. But I don't have a car, so I gotta work on my mom's time because she's gonna be whipping it. You feel me? So first, we put on some music. But I'm gonna just tell y'all what I'm gonna do because I'm gonna listen to music the whole time. So I'm gonna wash. I'm literally going to wipe my face with witch hazel first. Then I'm gonna scrub it with some baking soda. Then I'm gonna put some Neosporin on it. That's it. Some days I do a whole face mask thing, but today I won't, because like I said, I'm on a time limit. So we about to play some music and y'all about to watch my face. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with my face and stuff. So now I'm gonna do my hair. I went to sleep with my hair out, and I had woke up and I had plaited it up and I had twisted the ponytail. But this thing is like, I feel like it's so nappy right now. Like, I'm not even gonna brush through it. I'm just gonna wet it and just go about my day. Ow. But yeah, so we're just gonna wet it. Honestly, I don't think I want this style anymore. Like, I think I want to take it out. the front and put it in like, you know. My mom just came in the house and I told her I'll be ready in 10 minutes and it's been like 20, maybe 25. So now she's gonna come here and yell at me. So I'm gonna hear it, okay? I told y'all she was gonna come here and mess with me.
I missed you when you was sleeping.
She missed me when I was sleeping.
I did.
Ah.
I was like, little poo-poo asleep. And then I'm gonna take it down. Oh,
The floor is slippery because I wet it. Mom, say hi to the vlog. No, come back. Oh. Anyways, I'll be back when I'm done with my hair. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. I'm wearing my hair like this. Yeah. I'm really I'm gonna wear my hair like this. Just to make sure it's like, ow, wet enough. Comb out the ends, cause the top needs to stay fluffy, but brush out the ends.
How much money you got?
Y'all heard that? Y'all heard that? Here, guys. I got big 5 underwear for $30 now. Are y'all slow?
I'm trying to grab.
And I know Anisha gonna watch this video. This is her shirt. I stole it.
It's cute.
I know. But to be fair, it was in her giveaway clothes and I just took it, you know? So she was already giving it away. The sandals that I got for $175. Okay.
Dropping your girlfriends on the floor.
I don't know. But y'all, it's 10:14 now. See? Last time it was 10:40. I mean, it was 9:46 when I showed up the time. See, we be on good timing, I think. Anyways, but alright. So we just took out my mom's hair first before we left. And now it's 10:27. And we're about to go now. Hopefully. In the car, we in Betsy. Feel me? Then my grandma car. We in Betsy. You know, she got her Betsy. Don't ask me why. Y'all can ask her. Don't ask me.
She be like, me and Betsy be riding.
No, seriously. But y'all, we going to the store. So I gotta get a few things. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the store and getting some stuff for my man. Baby. Stop playing. Wait, they're at the front. I'm so dumb. Okay, let's go get the other stuff. Ah, oh wait, they're right here. I don't even ask what kind. I didn't ask what kind.
Oh,
I didn't ask
potato
what
chip
kind.
aisle is next to it.
Freaking. Where's gonna get this?
Yeah, we have some potato chips here, some potato chips here, and then the next aisle over.
Okay, good. I was in the wrong aisle.
Yeah, you didn't go
I'm
far
trying to
enough,
get this.
so not
So
to
whichever
worry.
he don't
We'll
drink, I'll
guide you in
drink
the
it.
right direction. Right?
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm gonna get this. 2. I don't even know if they have those here. I'm gonna go this way. Why is she making all that noise? See, if you would hate candy, this would have been so much easier. Found them.
Okay.
And they still don't have my cookies. That's great. That's so great. I'm gonna give him a card. Oh, should I give him a mug? That is so extra if I give him a mug. Let's see if I can put it back here for the logo. So I found one. Guys, I found a do-rag too. Okay. Anyways, y'all, we got Mickey D's. Right, mom, it's buzzing. Buzzing. So, I'm finna go see my son. Look for a hot, oh my god. Yeah, we at the store. My phone's not loading. I have to do some some things before we get in the store. But hopefully I don't walk out of here with something.
I'm gonna make sure you're not gonna turn on.
She lying?
I am.
Hopefully. Why ain't got no service? That's making me mad. I had to go because I'm sleepy and it's too many people in there. And I was not finna stand in that line. No, I'm not finna get nothing. So yeah. All these damn cars. Like, why are you speeding for? Ugh. People are just not nice. Nobody's letting me walk. I had to just force my way into traffic. Hopefully I don't get hit on this camera. Oh, and I didn't. Maybe. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna go sit in this car. I try not to fall asleep until I get home. I'm so sleepy right now, y'all. Okay, y'all. So we back. Turn this off real quick. So we back. It's currently 3:05.
Take it to the house.
I was trying to go home after I left the store.
You are lying.
But I'm telling the truth. But I went to go see my baby. It did. Okay, because y'all, that was pissing me off. Anyways, so yeah, like I was saying, I was supposed to go home, schedule my VLOGMAS Day 2 video to upload, take a nap. I gotta work at 5:30. I'm so tired right now. I don't know why, but I'm so sleepy. My mama just kept me out all day.
Girl, don't blame me. You shouldn't have.
Hey.
No, you the one had to go to the store.
And I was thinking we was gonna go right back home.
For your man.
For my man.
For my man.
Maybe un poco loco. Say hi.
Hola.
No, look.
Hola.
Look again.
Hola.
That big fat forehead. Anyways, y'all.
My phone got a big forehead.
Oh my god, I'm not even talking to you all.
I know you ain't talking about your hairy self. Ooh, he said you was bald-headed. Bald-headed. That's crazy. That's a little below the belt, guys.
Yeah, you wouldn't look too far with that back, because we all know I ain't bald-headed. So my hair could grow. Mom, why do I wear wigs all the time?
Because you that curl.
Period.
No, not really.
Was that a cat?
That was a fucking ninja cat.
Damn, that's why I was black. Anyways, y'all, I took this money off my card to give to my brother, but I think I changed my mind.
Girl, you better run my baby his coins for his birthday.
I don't care, man.
You a lie. I look for God on his birthday.
I will give him his money if he let me put him on the camera and say happy birthday. Yeah.
He's a sage. Little brother.
That's my big little brother, y'all.
Did you just call my baby Jerome?
Yeah, Jerome in the back. I'll put his 2 cents in. Like, no, I was talking to you, Jerome.
First of all, my name is not Jerome.
Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna stop editing my videos and just put them on here whole because that's a lot of work, you know?
I can help you edit. I'm a good editor.
You're not a good editor.
I am a good editor.
What app you used to edit? Oh, I guess you're a good editor. Girl, what app you used to edit?
I'm gonna edit. And if I don't,
you made me un poco loco.
You make yourself like that.
Anyways, y'all, it's gonna look chilly in here. I'm gonna go back under this jacket and take a nap.
I'm crazy.
Bro, I need to come get this woman. She always mess with me. I told her stop messing with me. This happens almost. This happened in my last video. You always mess with me. Stop messing with me.
I wish.
Stop seeing writing.
8683 for a chance to win tickets.
Dang.
Text and whatever. Just
Damn.
text and drive.
Alright, I'm so tired.
StopRex.org. A message from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Ad Council.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back home and this is the end of my vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it must be much. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. You feel me? All that. And I'll be back. Bye.